Welcome to this video on the case Guia versus Cosico, GR number 246,997, decided on May 5, 2021. This video examines the probate of the last will and testament of Cecilia Esguerra Cosico. This case provides a snapshot of Philippine succession law, specifically focusing on the legal requirements regarding illiteracy, formal document execution, and the principle of substantial compliance. The parties involved include the petitioner, Thelma Esguerra Guia, who is the adopted daughter and designated heir, the oppositors, who are Cecilia's half-siblings, and an intervener, Batubalani Realty. Cecilia Esguerra Cosico lived from 1932 to 2006. She was physically disabled, never attended school, and was illiterate. She was raised and cared for by her aunt, Mercedes Guia, and Thelma. The execution of the will began on September 8, 1996, with a meeting with counsel. 2 days later, the will was executed with witnesses, read aloud by the notary, and signed with Cecilia's thumb mark. The RTC admitted the will, citing substantial compliance. However, the Court of Appeals reversed this, arguing that Article 808 requires 2 separate readings by a witness and the notary. Article 808 of the Civil Code mandates that if a testator is blind, the will must be read twice. Jurisprudence extends this rule to illiterate testators to prevent fraud. Ultimately, the Supreme Court ruled the will valid. Despite the lack of a second reading by a witness, the notary's actions, the absence of fraud, and the testator's understanding constituted substantial compliance. Finally, the court highlighted that probate jurisdiction is limited to determining the extrinsic validity of a will. Courts generally cannot adjudicate property ownership disputes or distribute assets before debts are settled. Thank you for watching this summary of the Guia versus Cosico case. We hope this overview has provided clarity on the legal principles discussed in the decision. Please refer to the final slide for sources used in this analysis. These are the image sources used for the creation of this video.